Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy and are at home social distancing. So today I'm going to show you a really simple tutorial. It's how to make a fish origami. What you need for this tutorial is a plain piece of paper. If you have origami paper, feel free to use that. A pair of scissors and a pencil or a pen, whatever you prefer to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the top right hand corner, you're going to fold it down and crease it. Just take your time, make sure that it meets up as best as you can with the edge of the paper, and then you're going to crease it. And you're going to grab your scissor and you're going to cut off the bottom part. Take your time, no need to rush with this. So the good thing about doing this method, if you have a regular piece of paper, is you already have your first crease. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bottom half and we're going to fold it out to meet at the top edge. If it's easier, you can turn it towards you so you can see how well this top fold meets the bottom. And when you feel like it's lined up well, just go on and crease it. So now you're going to open it and you have something that looks like a diamond. So now you're going to turn it into a square. So now you're going to take the bottom half and we're going to fold it upwards, just kind of similar to what we've done in the previous videos. Make sure that it meets up at the edge. When you feel like it's matched up well, you're going to crease it. And for these steps, just make sure that you use your nail to make sure that it's creased well, because it's going to make it slightly easier for when we do the following steps. So now we have 4 lines. Now we're going to make our 5th. So we're going to do it again. So we just did it this way. Then we opened it. Now we're going to do it this way. We're gonna fold it over, meet at the edge. When we feel like it's lined up well, we're gonna crease it. After we crease it, we're just gonna take our nail and we're gonna just go over this crease. So just make sure that it's like well creased. So now we have something that looks like this. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna flip it this way because it will be a lot easier this way because it's already pointing upwards. So you're going to take the left side, you're going to take the right side, very similar to what I showed you in the other video. Okay, let's actually do it this way because I feel like this way is easier. So if you had it pointing up, flip it over so that it's pointing down. You're going to grab the left side, then you're going to grab the right side, and we're just going to simply fold them together. For some reason it's not doing it, but it's fine. If for some reason yours is not doing it and it's just closing like this, it's fine. I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you fold the right side to the left side together like this and you have something like this, what you're going to do is you're going to just push the top down and you're going to make a triangle. And you're just going to crease that. You're just going to crease that. And then you're going to do the same to the back. You're just going to push it down, push it in. Now you just push it together and put it on the table. Make sure that it's creased well. So now you have the fish body. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it down. And we're actually just going to flip it. Oh no. So now you have the fish body, so now we're just gonna put it down. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this flab, we're gonna fold it up. So you see where the crease line is? We're gonna fold it up a little bit over it. So I wanna say, if you know what a centimeter is, but around like right here is where we're gonna fold it. gonna kind of like fold it down and over. Now you're gonna do the same going the opposite direction. So you're just gonna fold it down a few centimeters on this side. So basically what you're gonna do is just fold, so you just did it this way. You just did it this way. So now you're just gonna take this and fold it that way and crease it. So what you basically just did was you just folded it down over that crease you just made. So it should look like this. Now I'm gonna, cause see I have two flabs on this side, I'm gonna bring this flap here down behind this one. I'm gonna take this flab and I'm gonna fold it basically. I'm gonna fold it over. So take your time and take this flap and you're gonna just fold it over it, kind of like they crisscross, but just take your time. Make sure that it's creased well. Make sure you hit that crease with your nail. So you should have something that looks like this. So in case you guys are confused, what we did was we took this tab we had here and we folded it a little bit above this crease line, a little bit above the center crease line. And by doing that, we basically fold it a little bit here. So you're gonna fold it a centimeter down below the crease line so that it appears to be above it. And then on the same, you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. So I basically I already have this crease, so I'm just gonna fold it down. It looks like this. So you did the same thing here, looks the same. Do the same thing here, it looks the same. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this bottom tab, because we want them to crisscross, and you're basically, it's easier if you just place it down when you do this, but you're basically just gonna flip this on top of it. Flip it on top, crease it. So you should have something like, looks like this. You see how the fins interchange? You see how the fins cross? So now you're gonna fold this to the front, or this way. Now you're gonna fold this to the front, and you have your fish body. Really simple, really easy. Doing the back is a little bit challenging, but just take your time, and I promise you guys will be able to do it. So here comes the decorating part. I'm just gonna add a little eyeball for creativity. I'm gonna just add a little eyeball, a little fish eyeball, and then I'm just gonna give him a little smile, little mouth situation. And there we go. We have a fish origami. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know on Google Classroom if this was slightly challenging for you, or if you found it slightly more easier than the other videos that we have done. Can't wait to see you guys' pictures. Okay, so that is all. And that's it. Here's your fish origami, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know on Google Classroom if you found this slightly easier than the other videos that I've done, or if this was just equally as challenging. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are safe, and I can't wait to see you guys' photos. Bye guys.